Hi everyone, I'm Alec Hunsberger. I'm your online real estate professor. Much like you are all doing right now, I first joined my real estate journey about 7 years ago. In order to become a licensed real estate professional, you have to begin with this online real estate course. Nowadays, this is pretty much the only medium in which it's available. My professional career, after studying at San Diego Canyon College in UCLA, developed into home improvement, construction, and licensed real estate work, both commercial and residential. I'm excited for each and every one of you to learn how to take advantage of your real estate knowledge, both in our state as well as in our nation, because with this type of knowledge, you gain a lot more power. So I hope I can be a proper conduit to each and every one of you as we move forward and journey together in your real estate profession and career.